I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. Canopy Growth announced its third quarter fiscal 2021 results with net revenue of $153 million. That was an increase of 23% over last year. Canopy Growth said that $99 million of that revenue was driven by an increase in Canadian recreational and international medical cannabis revenue. Now, despite the increase in revenue, the company also recorded an eye-popping net loss of $829 million. Canopy said that this was a $720 million wider loss than the previous quarter and blamed it on impairment and restructuring charges and other related charges of $416 million. Zig-Zag maker Turning Point Brands announced financial results for the fourth quarter and full year. For the fourth quarter, the company said net sales increased 31% to $105 million, and the net income increased from $25 million to $12.7 million. Turning Point beat expectations for both revenue and earnings, and for the full year, net sales increased 11.9% to $405 million, and the net income increased $19 million to $33 million. The Green Organic Dutchman announced unaudited results for their fourth quarter of 2020. That's expected to be $10.9 million and reflects a growth of 235% over last year. Still, they revised down their net revenue forecast to a range of $40 million to $45 million. They had previously forecasted to be $61 million. CBDMD announced financial results for their fiscal first quarter that ended in December. Net sales for the fiscal 2021 quarter increased by 22% to $12.3 million, and that is from $10.1 million in the previous year. Canopy Rivers reported an operating income of $3 million for the fourth quarter. Net income was $1.4 million, but here's the thing. They had other comprehensive income that came in at $80 million for the quarter, and that led to a total income for the quarter of $82 million. Zenavis Global announced that it has established an at-the-market equity program to allow them to issue up to 15 million Canadian dollars worth of common shares. Columbia Care entered into an agreement with Canaccord Genuity for 2.8 million common shares at a price of 9 Canadian dollars, and they're expecting to get 25 million Canadian dollars. This deal is expected to be sold to one large institutional investor. And that's the big news for this week. Guess what? On Monday, markets are closed for President's Day. I'm Deborah Borchardt with the Green Market Report.